means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large-scale and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.